Welcome to this BluHorn video on how to send an order directly through your BluHorn platform. BluHorn allows you to send individual worksheets or orders to your vendors through the system without having to create your own PDF and use your own email. To do this, you must ensure that your vendors are set up with an email address listed. The representative's name and email address must be included by market, otherwise this feature will not operate correctly. From any worksheet, access the worksheet lines, and when you're ready to send an order, you'll scroll to the bottom of the worksheet lines. There's a section marked Station Order Settings, which you will drop down. From here, you can make individual selections on what you would like to include on a vendor's order. Let's pretend I'm ready to send WCWJ, but I would like to omit a few things from the schedule, such as certain weeks or the spot length. Make any customizations that you'd like. You can even add generic comments or basic traffic instructions. Any additional comments you add in this section will be placed before any default comments that your agency has placed on all worksheets. When you're ready to send, hit Send Order, the green button in the middle. Here a pop-up window will appear that will show you where your orders will be sent, including the rep's name and email address. And it will also note that a copy of the order will be sent to you, whoever is logged into the system. From here you can click OK or Cancel. I'll say OK. Now when I look at my worksheet, it will refresh and show in the orders that the order was sent and who it was sent to with a date stamp. You'll be able to track this as you go for any other orders that you send.